Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this super sick sweatsuit. This is what it looks like. I also made this one as well. So this is what the other hoodie looks like. So I got these sweats from Uniqlo. The men's sweats in black. That's the fabric inside the sweatpants, so they're super comfy, super cozy. They're great for like lounging at home or just like going out in. And then this, I think it's from H&M, just a simple crew neck. I've had it for like a while. It's just a black one. It got like a little tiny bleach stain on it, so I was like, you know what, let me make it a vibe. So what I did was I bleached, tie-dyed these two together so it was like a matching set, because I've been loving like the new trend of like tie-dye and then like the acid wash and stuff, but they're so expensive. Like I was looking at sets online and they go for like $200 for the whole set, so I was like, no thank you. Knowing me, I change my style quite often and I always get sick of things, so it's better if I just DIY it myself, and it's also cheaper. You're being more environmentally friendly. Yeah, it's really fun to do, especially if you're in quarantine right now like me. Okay, so what you're gonna need is some bleach, some gloves, some clothes that you don't care about getting dirty or ruining, your bathtub or a hose outside, and yeah, some clothes that you want to tie-dye. You're also gonna want like a little bottle, squeezy bottle, so you can put the bleach and the water in it. If you are young and you're doing this, make sure you have a parent or someone to supervise you, because bleach is very dangerous. If not, still be careful, because bleach is not fun if you ruin something. And let's get into today's video. Rubber bands. I filled it halfway with bleach, halfway with water. Give it a good shake. Your sweater. Starting with the sleeve, I'm going to be crumbling it up in a very random pattern, like so. And I'm going to keep going until the very end. Take a rubber band and just tie that to keep it in place. Like that. Do the same thing to the other sleeve. And tie it. For the rest of the hoodie, just crunch it up like that. And same thing on this side and the hoodie, or sorry, the hood. Put an elastic band around the whole thing. If it comes undone, that's okay. You can just scrunch it up again. And it doesn't matter how you scrunch it up, just very random pattern. Now that I have my sweater scrunched up like that, I'm gonna place it in the bathtub and just start squirting it. Flip it over. Get all sides. You just have to wait for it to start lightening up. I'll show you a pair of pants. I'm just waiting. I just did this pair of pants. It's still covered in bleach, so I'm just waiting for it to lighten up. Before it was a very dark orange, but the longer I wait for this to sit on there, the lighter it will get. Okay, so coming back to this, so you can see how it's getting a little bit lighter. The tiniest bit, it's very hard to tell, but we'll do another coat. And then we'll just let that sit for a bit. I moved it out of the way from the middle of the tub, just because all the bleach is pooling in the center. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more. I'm doing this in my bathtub because after we will need the shower hose. So this is a color that I like, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this, and what that is gonna do is the water is gonna stop the bleach from processing it. So I'm gonna set this one aside and rinse this one. will see some of the dye come out of the water just because it has leaked out of it. So now you can just squeeze all the water out. Okay, so now I'll just throw this in the wash with no other clothes except for the other bleached clothes. Okay, so now you can unwrap it. Just wait until your desired color is coming out. I'm just gonna unwrap it now so then I can see if I wanna fix any spots or add any more. So this is what it looks like so far. And then this is the back. There are a lot of empty spots, so I'm gonna go back in. So I think I wanna add more in this area because it is very bare. So I'm just gonna grab it and scrunch it up. Like so. Grabbing another elastic. Just as long as you're going and using the same technique that you were before, then everything will look normal. I think I'm also gonna do some in this spot here. Same thing, just scrunch it all up. Make sure you shake it. I'm just gonna take out those elastics. So that's what the hoodie looks like now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rinse it, squeeze out the water, and then throw it in the wash. If you end up trying out this DIY, be sure to leave your photos of whatever you make down in the comments, or tag me, put it on your story and tag it on Instagram. So tag me at Maddie John or Makeup by Maddie John, because I'd love to see if you take this video and make your own, because yeah, I want to see what yours turn out to be like. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you're staying safe with all of this craziness going on in the world right now. Be sure to wash your hands and don't be a dirty bear. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sun